Hey students, how are you? Okay, thank you. It is the period of subject civics, chapter 2, and the name of the chapter is constitutional design. In previous video, we have learnt about the meaning of constitution and important terms. In this video, we shall study about the designing democratic constitution for South Africa. South Africa is a country which lies in the southern part of continent Africa. The South African experience provides a deeper insight into the problem of designing a constitution. In a democratic state, Nelson Mandela was the architect of democratic constitution and the rights of people in South Africa. Nelson Mandela was imprisoned by the racial South African government for 28 years for daring to oppose the apartheid regime, which justified the policy of racial discrimination against the blacks. Racial discrimination means discrimination on the basis of color of skin. Nelson Mandela was a great leader of South Africa who helped to form the democratic constitution and rights of the people in South Africa. Due to the oppose of apartheid regime, he was imprisoned in the jail of South Africa for 28 years. Apartheid means rang bhed, discrimination on the basis of color of the skin. Apartheid is a term apartheid is the former official government policy in South Africa of separating people on different races and making them live apart. apartheid का यूज अफ्रीका में रंग भेद के लिए किया जाता था, जिसमें व्हाइट्स, ब्लैक एंड कलर्ड पीपल live separate. There all things are separate. In this way, there was a lot of discrimination done by the racial government for the African people. South Africa was occupied by trading companies from Europe with the use of arms and force as they had occupied India. Likewise, India was colony of Britain. Like this, South Africa also was the colony of Europeans. But unlike India, a large number of whites had settled down in South Africa and became the local rulers. The system of apartheid as imposed by the whites divide the people on the basis of their skin color in the following manner. First, नेटिव साउथ अफ्रीकन, नेटिव साउथ अफ्रीकन, नेटिव मीन्स जो वहां पर पैदा हुए थे, जिनका जन्म साउथ अफ्रीका में हुआ और वहीं पर रह रहे हैं। ये कौन थे? ब्लैक्स थे। द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ब्लैक्स मीन्स द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ नेटिव साउथ अफ्रीकन at that time was 3/4 of the total population. European settlers. The second division is European settlers in South Africa. The people from Europe, those were settled down in Africa, South Africa, and also they became the local rulers of South Africa, are known as whites. People of mixed races. The people of South African blacks, the people of European countries whites, and rest of the people known as people of mixed races. They were known as colored. The white rulers treated all non-whites, including the people who migrated from India, as inferior. The white people means rulers of South Africa, those were Europeans, they treated non-whites, means blacks and colored. The native South African people and the people those were migrated from India, they were considered as low category in the eyes of whites. The non-whites had no voting rights. The apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the blacks. Following are the example. First, blacks were not allowed to live in areas where whites inhabited, means where their whites live, other people means black and colored unable to live due to their oppressive policy. Oppressive policy means दमनकारी नीति. Second, blacks could not work in areas dominated by whites. Where their white people worked, there black people could not work without any permission. All public utility services means आम पब्लिक की जो सेवाएं होती हैं, इंक्लूडिंग ट्रेन्स, बसेस, टैक्सीज, होटल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, लाइब्रेरीज, सिनेमा हॉल्स, सी बीचेस, स्विमिंग पूल्स, पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स were maintained separately for whites, and blacks could not enter in the churches where the whites worshipped. It means that black people and colored people were unable to worship in the churches where their whites worshipped. Blacks could not form association or protest against the terrible treatment. Blacks were unable to form any association, any union, and also they were unable to protest against the painful behavior of whites. Means उनके जो कष्टकारी बर्ताव होते थे, व्हाइट्स के द्वारा जो कष्टकारी बर्ताव किए जाते थे ब्लैक्स के साथ, उसका ये बेचारे अपोज भी नहीं कर सकते थे और न ही कोई अपना संघ या यूनियन एसोसिएशन कुछ भी नहीं बना सकते थे। It was since 1990 that the blacks, colored and resident of Indian origin started waging a battle against unjust apartheid system. This struggle against the policy of segregation was fought under the umbrella of African National Congress. African National Congress was a party all the native and colored collectively struggled against the policy of segregation under the African National Congress. It also involves the participation of workers, unions, the Communist Party, and a small group of sensitive whites. Sensitive whites means जो संवेदनशील यूरोपियन पीपल रहते थे वहाँ, जिनको ब्लैक्स के कष्टों के प्रति संवेदना थी, वह लोग भी इसी ग्रुप में हो गए। In spite of the criticism of international community and several countries worldwide, this racist government means रंगभेद वाली सरकार, continued to rule by detaining, torturing and killing thousands of innocent black and colored. Due to a long struggle on a large scale protests and struggle against apartheid, the racial regime was forced to change its policies. बहुत लंबे संघर्ष के बाद रंगभेद सरकार मजबूर हो गई अपनी नीतियों को बदलने के लिए। The government now clearly realized that it was not longer possible to keep the blacks under their rule through repression. The government took several remedial measures to prevent the situation from deteriorating further. These measures are as following. Repeal of discriminatory law, removal of restriction on the media, lifting of ban on political parties. Deteriorating means होता है बदतर सिचुएशन, व्यवस्था खराब न हो जाए आगे चल करके, इसलिए रंगभेद की सरकार मीन्स रेशियल गवर्नमेंट ने डिसाइड किया कि यहाँ पर अब कुछ छूट दी जाए, जैसे भेदभाव के सभी कानून को हटा दिए गए और मीडिया के ऊपर जो रिस्ट्रिक्शन था उसको हटा दिया गया और पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में जो नेटिव अफ्रीकन का पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं होता था उसको अलाउ कर दिया गया। Okay, thank you.